So काफ़ी अमेजिंग है वाइब एक्चुअली रेस्टोरेंट का. Greatest joys in the world are have collaborated together. Beaches and swing.
Beachside. Go around.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about exploring Havelock Island, Swaraj Deep. And today from Port Blair to Havelock, we're going to be traveling through a ferry. Then we are going to explore the hotel we are in. They have a private beach. Then we're also going to Asia's 6th best ranked beach, which is Radhanagar Beach. And then we're going to a restaurant. So I'm here in Havelock for 3 days and we're going to be exploring these 3 days together. So there is going to be separate 3 videos for each of the days I'm in Havelock. And yeah, if you're interested, please continue watching. Havelock now, finally reached, but now going towards the gate so I can find the guy who is supposed to take me to the hotel here.
A few moments later.
So this is like the entrance. There's a private balcony type of a situation here and you enter from here, and this is the room. This is much better than the previous hotel. So this is the bed. There's like a lot of area space here. Also there's the washroom. This is the outside view. It's something like this. The TV is over here. AC is like centralized. Mirror is also much better than the previous one. And this is the washroom. Washroom is also quite spacious and much better than the previous hotel. And I love the lighting which has been provided here. Can't wait to click pictures or like shoot get ready with me over here. So yeah, happy with the second hotel, which is Aquays Hotel and Resorts. This is the Aquays Hotels and Resort.
A little while later.
I'm gonna sip on my coffee and have some much needed black coffee from my personal favorite brand, which is इम्पल्स कॉफ़ीज़, जिसका मैं मस्ती भरी स्ट्रॉबेरी इधर लेके आई हूँ बिकॉज मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है. एंड मैंने अभी तक ये खोला भी नहीं है. मैंने ये यही ट्रिप के लिए बचा के रखा था. प्लस ये लिमिटेड एडिशन है तो मुझे नहीं पता था मेरे को वापस मिलेगा ये टाइम पे या नहीं. तो मैंने पहले से रीस्टॉक करके 2-3 बॉटल मंगा ली थी. सो आई कुड लाइक टेक वन ऑफ दीज लाइक पैक्ड वंस हियर एंड कंज्यूम इट थ्रू आउट माई ट्रिप. बिकॉज प्लस इधर बहुत जल्दी उठना पड़ता है बिकॉज यहाँ पे थोड़ा सनराइज जल्दी होता है, सनसेट. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सनराइज एंड सनसेट आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक शेड्यूलिंग माई स्लीप accordingly, so मैं miss out ना करूँ कुछ भी इधर. So yeah, that's about it. I will see you after I sip on my coffee.
A few moments later.
So this is what I've done. I've added the blue clip, added these earrings, added my lenses, put some blush on, put some lip gloss, and this is the outfit. I'm going to have some lunch at the restaurant which is available at this hotel, Aquays Hotel and Resorts. Then I'm also going to be checking out their private beach, and then at around 2 p.m. I have to go to Radhanagar Beach to just explore that beach, and then I would be renting an Activa for 3 days so I could explore nearby places which is not included in the tour. And yeah, that's about grab some food. So this is the swimming pool area and the restaurant is over here. I'm just walking towards it now because I'm hungry, and then the private beach area is over there. So I'm gonna head there after lunch. for a quick walk. Look, so it's above. There's like a stairway where I came from. There's also one more floor up, so you could go there. And this is the vibe. And I've opened up the window so you could see this gorgeous view of a beach. So काफ़ी amazing है vibe actually restaurant का. And यहाँ से beach का view है, so I've opened up the window and that is what I'm doing now, waiting for someone to come here and, you know, like give me the menu so I can order food and everything. But yeah, restaurant in the hotel Aquays is pretty good. That's about it. I'm now just waiting for my food, like for the menu to come, for me to order something and eat because I'm famished. But overall I will show you everything I've ordered and how the place is and give you a rating. क्या गंदा खाना था यार. I mean, very basic se basic, but I have the private beach to look up to now, so that's what we're gonna do now. Best part about this resort is that it has a private beach, which is so pretty, and there is a swing, so I could sit on the swing. But so pretty. I'm just gonna go in the water and walk a little. It's like little droplets of water also coming in from the sky because I think the weather's gonna turn into a little rainy and there's no one else on the beach except doggos and me. So yay! And the water is so clear here. Like I love that. Like look how crystal clear the water is here. I mean, you could see everything, every minute detail in the water. It's so freaking clear. Like you would not want to miss out on this. Such adventures and such wholesome feeling of just being at a resort hotel which has like a private beach and you could just walk and you're at the beach. And it's literally private, like so secluded that you would not find a single person except you. And it's around like 2:30 p.m. now and I'm still here. And I think this is one experience which I will always remember because beaches is something I always associate with peace, but also something which is very, you know, like commercialized or now it's very crowded. This one particular private beach, I know the entire concept of private beaches is supposed to be that it's gonna be like, you know, it's going to be secluded, but this particular, it's so tiny, like a tiny part of the private beach is like secluded, but it is so peaceful. Like let me show you. Like look, just the water's coming in and going and this is all I'm doing. I'm just standing here. It's so pretty. While jet skiing yesterday, my nail pen chipped off, but I don't care. It's fine. So pretty. If we cam from this angle, it is so pretty. And now I'm going back to the swing because oh yeah. And let me show you इधर. इधर जो water वाला sand है वो भी थोड़ा cream है, but उधर तो pure white sand है. Like see, creamish, and you see like that white and cream wala difference. Yep. Yeah, ये कितना pretty है. This is like tied up to a actual tree. Like look, so pretty. At least this piece pure peace and solace because I'm alone and no one here to bother me, and it's just very peaceful. So not anywhere else in the world I would be rather than here, and I would love to take my friends and my family over here as well one day. The sand is so white, like extremely white, like not that I've seen such kind of sand before. In Thailand also this was the pretty basic scene, but the water here is so clear, like so clear, which in Thailand also was very rare to see, which was only available in like Phi Island. Nowhere else I saw such clear blue water or like just clear water. यहाँ पे सब कुछ है. I mean, people go to Phuket and everywhere. I've also been, but like in India only there's such beauty that I think first we should be traveling internally before like just judging that our country has nothing to offer, and then visit abroad, you know. I mean, like मेरा तो work trip था, ये भी है, but yeah, I mean that is what I feel and what is my opinion about all this. like यहाँ पे इस स्विंग पे बैठना इज सो सररियल बिकॉज मैंने ये सब ऐसे मूवीज़ में देखा था या ऐसे, एंड इट्स लाइक टू ऑफ माई ग्रेटेस्ट जॉयज इन द वर्ल्ड आर have collaborated together, beaches and swing, and this is what I get to be at all alone, which is something I'm more happy about. And there are these trees also above जिससे ये swing branch को tie किया है. एक scary part भी है, इधर से कोई insect गिरा तो मैं चिल्लाने वाली हूँ, and ये vlog बन जाएगा थोड़ा funny. Insects played a prank on Hetu kind of a video, but hoping वो ना हो, and हम सिर्फ ये नज़ारे को enjoy करें and swing पे बैठ के मज़े करें. बट ये देखो कितना सुंदर है ये. क्लीन बीच है. यहाँ पे टैनिंग है ना अलग टाइप की होती है. सनस्क्रीन जितना भी लगा हो कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है, टैन तो हो ही रहे. मेरे पैर तो सबसे ज़्यादा टैन हुए इधर, फीट. बट या लाइक लुक एट माई फीट एंड माई दिस कश कलर आधा काला हो गया बिकॉज द टैनिंग हियर इज़ रियली बैड. बट स्टिल लव द नेल्स. And the swing, and I think it's time for me to head back to the room, and I shall do that now.
A little while later.
So I have changed. I'm dressed up into all this. I changed into this outfit, and the earrings are the same. Just added sunglasses, a hat, and this buckle thing, and that's all. So I'm all dressed up to go to Radhanagar, and I'm gonna take you all to Radhanagar, which is 6th, which is the most cleanest beach, which is the 6th best beach in Asia. So it has been given this title like a few years back or a decade back, something like that. But yeah, we are going to be exploring Radhanagar Beach today, and I'm gonna let you know what I think about it. So this is the outfit. There's a photo shoot which is going to happen, so I thought this would look good in the photos, and plus this dress is something I've only worn once in Mumbai, so I was like, let's try. Right now I feel it's a little bit much because there's this hat, the sunglasses, everything. I think I should lose the hat, but then my hair looks so greasy here. I don't know why. I got my spa done and everything, and yet it looks so greasy, so I have no idea what is happening. But yeah, I think I have to take the hat. But anyways, I've applied sunscreen all over my body, all over my legs, and yeah, I'm just about to go now because I'm already super late and the beach is closed here really soon, so I gotta go. See you at Radhanagar Beach now.
A little while later.
Now heading to something different, a restaurant which everyone here keeps talking about. I've carried this bag now. Carrying this bag now because it has my book, keys, wallet, everything, and I've rented an Activa for 2 days, like for today 5:30 p.m. to tomorrow 5:30, and tomorrow night I'll be given, so it's technically 1.5 days, and I'll be driving the Activa throughout these 2 days. So let's go to something different. Look, this is so pretty. They gave me this. They clicked a picture and they gave me this. It is so damn pretty. It's like a memory forever to have. It's so pretty. I love it. मेरे solo trip का moment capture हो गया. Wow, so cute. Something different is the place. Do visit it. So my cajun cauliflower Alfredo is here, and my Shiva's Regal 12 years is also here, and now I'm gonna eat. Bon appetit!